Sweet potato balls.
地瓜球。
Bubble tea.
珍珠奶茶。
Fried chicken cutlet.
炸鸡排。
Stinky tofu.
臭豆腐。
Pan-fried pork buns.
水煎包。
Egg cakes.
鸡蛋糕。
Mango shaved ice.
芒果剉冰。
Grilled corn.
烤玉米。
Scallion pancake.
葱油饼。
Oyster omelette.
蚵仔煎。
Wheel cakes.
车轮饼。
Pork belly bun. 挂包。Can you guess? Which Taiwanese food is this? Which Taiwanese food is this? Which Taiwanese food would you try first?
你最想吃哪一个？